Well, while the Republicans were in office and while they had power, when McCain started to run, all we heard was this constant harangue or going on about drill, baby, drill. And now what we're looking at from their silent partners in all of this, because it's just two corporate sides of the coin. It's the same corporate party, but with two heads. You've got the Democrats and Republicans who are both taking money from these corporate interests. So what we can do is we can expose the money that they've been taking, from the oil, from gas, from drilling, whether it's for uranium or mining, whether it be uranium or other, other mining products. But what we have in the Gulf Coast is now we've got spill, baby, spill, and we have to expose it for what it is. And as effectively as we can do that is to just point out that the other corporate candidates, whether they're Republican or Democrat, they are taking money from these industries, and they too are profiting in a lot of ways politically. So that's about what our best avenue is to address this and attack it and benefit from it ourselves politically.